Hello there, and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install a VPN on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So if you're on your home screen, all you need to do is go to the top. And you're going to go to the Play Store with the method I showed you in the previous video. I'll show you again. So quick settings, and then you go to all settings. You scroll down up till you find apps. Another apps, click on apps. I have my Play Store there, but that's because I've just accessed it. So you could use the long method just so you see. So I'll go the long route to show you how you access the Play Store. When you come here under apps, you're looking for See All Apps. Click on See All Apps and then scroll down. You're scrolling down to the bottom when you find Show System Apps. Click on that and scroll even lower. This list is in alphabetical order, so scroll till you find G. I just passed it. So G is right here. And you find Google Play Games, Google Play Services, Google Play Store. That's where you want to be. So click on Google Play Store and click on Open. Now that you've opened the application, you're able to search for an app and possibly download it. So I'm going to the search bar and I'm searching for VPN. So with that search feature, I just use my voice to search. You could search with the keyboard and tap on the keyboard. But we are here now and I'm going to download and install. So I've clicked on that Proton VPN. It's a fast and secure VPN. I'm keeping the install button and that's going to begin the download. So just be patient for a couple of seconds for the download to complete. And when it's done, the installation process will be automatic. All you need to do is to sit tight, relax, and wait for the app to install. So now you see the download is 62% and climbing. I'll just sit tight and wait for it to complete. So the download is done and now the installation process has started. So with the Google TV, installing apps from the Play Store is seamless. The installation process goes automatically. As you see the toggle going from left to right, that's it being installed. So immediately that's done, you can access the app and open it immediately from here. Or you could go back to the dashboard, back in home, and you're going to find the option apps at the top bar. Navigate apps to the furthermost right and you're going to find the app you just installed. So that's basically it. Once you open this app, I just click on the open button like so and the app gets launched. So that's it for this video. If you found value in it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.